Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure night vision mode on your ARLO Pro 5 security camera. To configure the night vision mode, you want to go into Devices, then tap on the camera of your choosing, tap on the settings icon, and then tap on night vision. Here you can turn it off, turn it on, choose whether it's only black and white or color night vision. Of course, if under light settings you have the spotlight turned off, then night vision will default to black and white, but if you switch it to color night vision, it will automatically also turn the spotlight back on. The spotlight will, let me demonstrate how it will look like. You can cover it for a bit to try and make it go into night vision mode, or put it into a dark place. I'll just give it a second. I have put the camera in a dark place, as you can see. This is how the night vision mode looks like. If you turn on the flashlight, it's of course going to light it up and make it all be visible in color. Just give it a second to update. As you can see, now it's in color, but if it's turned off, it's going to use the infrared lights in the camera. And that's it. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.